Today I'll show you how to customize the screen time on your MacBook Air M5 or MacBook Pro or any Mac really. And this kind of reports where it shows which apps you're using, and I'm not sure about websites visiting. You can customize these apps and website activity, and you can actually turn this off. You don't have to keep this enabled. And also you have these settings per device or overall, so that's pretty interesting to see all the information for each device or for all of the devices. But yeah, if you want to see this, it's interesting, but if you want to turn it off, you can also do that. So in the settings, you can go into the screen time, and here you have all these options, and you can see at the end there is the app and website activity, and that option can be turned off if you don't want it. So it's interesting to see which apps you're using, but I'm really not really curious. I mean, I know I just use a few apps. I don't use too many apps, so I don't need to have even more some statistics, some things there to take more processing power on the MacBook Air M5. It's I need to use it as much as possible, so I'm going to turn off the app and website activity, but you can keep it on. And also you might have to enter the screen time password, so the screen time will no longer show this information, and now you don't have the option there. Usually it's much easier to enable these settings than to turn them off. So if I click on apps and app and website activity, it's a nice pop-up that tries to help me to enable it. And yeah, if you want to turn it off, you have to enter the screen time passcode, in this case, in my case. And there are some interesting settings in the screen time for downtime. If you want to turn off the device so you can't use it at specific times of the day, that's pretty nice. Also, you can have app limits. You can enable app limits and see which apps are allowed. There are some, you could have some apps that are always allowed. And the content and privacy, these options, they could be useful if you want to restrict the type of content that you're watching, you're viewing on your device. There are so many settings. It's very detailed here, so yeah, it's easy to get overwhelmed with all the settings. But if you want to have unrestricted access, that's how I have it. And yeah, you can really customize the screen time really well. I actually have an option to turn off to prevent the in-app payments, but I think I turned it off because I wanted to buy something. So yeah, these are the screen time settings. And if you change something, it's a good idea to try to write it down somewhere, so you know that you changed that, in case something is not right with your device, with your Mac or iPad. These settings will be the same on iPad or even iPhone, to remember which setting you changed to put it back. So yeah, I hope this helps you change the screen time settings on your Mac. Thanks for watching.